Hello, how are you today? Welcome back to Learn English with Evie. Today, we're going to learn English with a simple story about Emma and Daniel. Listen carefully and try to repeat the words with me. Let's begin.
Good morning, Daniel.
Good morning, Emma. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I slept very well. And you?
Me too. I feel great today.
What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Oh, we're a little late.
That's true. What do you want to do today?
I don't want to cook breakfast at home. Let's go to a cafe.
That's a great idea. I'm hungry.
Me too. There's a nice cafe near our house.
Perfect. Let's get ready and go.
Okay, give me 5 minutes.
No problem. I'll wait for you here. This cafe looks nice.
Yes, I love this place. Let's sit here, next to the window.
Good idea. What do you want to order?
I'd like a coffee and some toast with jam.
That sounds good. I'd like a tea and a croissant.
Do you want orange juice too?
Yes, please. Orange juice is my favorite.
Excuse me, can we order, please?
We'd like a coffee, a tea, some toast with jam, a croissant, and an orange juice.
Thank you very much.
This toast is delicious.
Yes, and the coffee is very good too.
I'm happy. This is a wonderful morning.
Me too. I love having breakfast with you.
Are you finished?
Yes, I am. Let's pay and go.
Okay, I'll pay this time.
Thank you, Daniel. Breakfast. Coffee, tea, toast, jam, croissant, orange juice. Delicious. Okay, I have the shopping list. Let's go inside.
Great. What do we need?
We need some fruit, some vegetables, milk, eggs, and bread.
Let's start with the fruit. Do we need apples?
Yes, and some bananas too.
Here are the apples. How many do we need?
6 apples, please.
Okay, 6 apples. And bananas?
4 bananas are enough.
Now let's go to the vegetables. We need tomatoes and onions.
Yes, and some potatoes for dinner.
Here they are. This looks like a lot of food.
Yes. Now we need milk and eggs.
They're over there, next to the cheese.
Perfect. Let's get a carton of milk and a dozen eggs.
Do we need cheese too?
Yes, a little cheese, please.
Okay, and finally bread.
Yes, 1 loaf of bread. That's everything on the list.
Great, let's go to the checkout.
How much is it in total?
It's $22.
That's not bad. Let's pay and go home.
Shopping list. Fruit, vegetables, apples, bananas, tomatoes, onions, potatoes, milk, eggs, cheese, bread. How much is it? Checkout. We're home. Let's put the groceries away.
Okay, can you put the milk and eggs in the fridge?
Sure. And where do you want the fruit?
Put the apples and bananas in the bowl, on the table.
Good idea. Where do the vegetables go?
Put the tomatoes and onions in the fridge too. The potatoes can stay in the cupboard.
Okay, and the bread?
Put the bread on the counter, next to the toaster.
Haha, done. Everything is in its place.
Thank you for your help, Daniel.
You're welcome. That was a good morning.
Yes, it was. Breakfast at the cafe, shopping at the supermarket. A perfect morning together.
I agree. What do you want to do now?
Let's relax for a little while. Maybe watch something on TV.
Sounds perfect to me.
Hey, don't go yet. If you enjoyed this story, please give it a like. And if you're new here, subscribe to Learn English with Evie so you don't miss the next episode. See you in the next video. Bye for now.